Female JP on big fraud rap remanded in custody. 1 dead, 7 including baby injured in highway crash. Portland records first murder for 2023. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. Georgia Messam White, the Saint and Justice of the Peace, who was charged earlier this month with alleged fleecing millions of dollars from the client, was remanded in police custody when she appeared in the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court last week. The 50-year-old JP, who is also a paralegal clerk, is accused of fraudulent conversion and engaging in a transaction that involves criminal property. It is alleged that Ms. Sam White, a resident of Village Green, St. Anne, received over $27 million from the complainant to purchase a property, but failed to turn over the funds to the contracted attorney. The police stated that the incident occurred between September 2018 and April 2019. Following a probe, Ms. Sam White was arrested and charged. 1 person is dead and 7 others, including a baby, injured in a 2-vehicle crash at the entrance of the Edward Seaga Highway on Sunday. Reports are that at 6:30 p.m., 5 people were traveling in a Nissan Sylphy on the highway when they collided with another vehicle carrying 3 other people, including a baby, at the Caymanas exit. Police sources reported that the impact of the crash sent one of the vehicles over into a ravine. Motorists who were passing by the area saw the injured victims and rushed them to the hospital. One of the men from the group of 5 was pronounced dead at hospital. Portland on Saturday recorded its first murder for 2023 following the shooting death of a man in the farming community of Skibo shortly after 9:45 p.m. Police sources have confirmed the incident and said the deceased, whose identity has not yet been ascertained, only recently moved to the Skibo community. The police said preliminary reports suggest that the man was among a group of young men standing near a shop when men drove up in a vehicle and opened gunfire. The deceased was hit and later pronounced dead by a medical doctor.